1 hour later.
Gosh.
Alright guys, Trail Ninja here. Welcome to my unboxing video for the Hero 9 Black. It's I know it's been out for a few months, but I had things going on at the time, so I wasn't able to pick it up when it first came out, but I decided to treat myself to a late birthday present. So I went ahead and picked it up. If anybody knows me really well, I am a GoPro junkie, so GoPro, if you're listening out there, sponsor me, be greatly appreciated. So I picked up the Hero 9 Black Hyper Smooth 3.0, 5K 30 and 4K 60 and 1080p live streaming. I also heard that you can also use this as a webcam too, which is going to be awesome because I do a lot of podcasting, and so having this as my video camera to be able to use alongside my Yeti Blue microphone is going to be so much awesome. And no, I'm not going to use the cliche, it's a game changer. I mean, I hate that when people use that phrase. I hate the phrase game changer, so don't, I will not say that on my channel, but if I do, I'll slap myself. So, anywho, there it is. So, get ready to pop this guy's tab. And pull the, oh man, here comes the guys, this is a satisfying sound. You only get to do this once when you get a GoPro. So let's enjoy it. Be real quiet. Oh, satisfying, isn't it? Throw that to the side. And what makes this GoPro different from the other GoPros is that instead of having the plastic housing with the GoPro on top of it, this one actually comes with a case. Nice little travel case. This is a pretty thoughtful idea from GoPro. So this thing travels in style. This is the first time they ever included a case like this with a camera. I mean, it smells like brand new case too. And then here it goes, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right. Doesn't this look awesome, guys? Got the USB-C charging cable. Got the new, this is a 1700 something square, 1700, it's a bigger battery than, it's a bigger battery than what the Hero 5, 6, and 7, and 8 have. So, it's a big, thick, bad boy battery. And of course, you got the little sticky mount. You got the clasp. and a screw. And you got all these cool little, subscribe to GoPro. I've already done that. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to become a GoPro subscriber, highly recommend it. I saved $150 on the bundle that I ordered. Of course, I ordered the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I ordered 2 dual battery chargers, and they come with a battery each. And I ordered a protective lens replacement, which thankfully with the Hero 9 Black, they went back to the replaceable lens cover. The Hero 8, for some reason, they thought it would be a wise idea not to do that. And they got some big time blowback for that, which they should have. And they decided, hey, let's go back to the replaceable lens mount. Good job, GoPro. Thanks for doing that. So that, and of course, it came with a free 32 gigabyte SD card. So with all that, I got it for about 450 bucks, which is about the price of the camera with that by itself without the discount. So I'm telling you guys, GoPro subscription, it's worth its weight in gold if you buy a lot of stuff off of GoPro's website. Definitely recommend it. Of course, it comes with the how to install the battery. So it's pretty much the same way. If you know how to do the 8, you know how to do the 9. Same deal. And wait a minute. I'm about, oh, there we go. Stickers. I said they better put some doggone stickers, because man, GoPro always puts stickers with their products, with their cameras. And interesting, they got this GoPro, and they've kind of changed it up a little bit. So you got a little bitty GoPro sticker. You got this weird GoPro sticker, and then of course you got the standard GoPro sticker. That's the. Now let's take out the camera here. Okay, it's got the little camera. Here's another satisfying sound. Here, listen. Oh yeah, listen to that. Unwrapping the camera. 9 Black, gents and ladies. All right, it's got the little ding, little covers over all the screens. Probably should get some protective. I might get a protective lens to put over the back if they ever make it out there. But and look at this, guys. The first time they've ever put a big screen in the front. Don't think it doesn't have a battery in it, obviously. It's empty. Let's put the battery in it and see if it charges up. See if it's, man, I'm sure it has a little bit of charge in it. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. Look at that, man. Look at that. Oh, of course, it's, oh, yeah, that battery had just a little. Here we go. The 9 Black. Oh, cool, see that? the logo, see, that's pretty interesting. The logo kind of does the thing with the screen here. Well, actually, what you got the language here. So in English. Lego stuff, yeah, I agree. GPS, I usually leave it off. And of course, the GoPro app, blah 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 blah, and follow instructions. So, which I haven't got my phone on me right now, so I'll go over that step later on. This is an unboxing video, so I'm not gonna set the camera up for you guys. I'm sure there's a lot of videos on that. You just pair it up with GoPro, and the GoPro does the rest, and it synchronizes it and all that stuff. So also pushes your updates. There is one update for the firmware, but this is the camera, guys. So and oh, I forgot to tell you, it does have the fold-out feet like the GoPro Hero 8. I wonder if it's the same as the. I would think that they're the same as the Hero 8 Black. So this is another thing you need to wear. You can make sure you get replacement fingers, because if these break, you're hosed. So these are replaceable, so they can get them off GoPro's website. There's like 4 little B screws here. You can replace these fingers, but they're like the Hero 8, where you fold them down, you mount them, all that stuff. So that's the Hero 9 Black, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless. Have a good day.